Hello viewers, Amazon Black Friday sale is running on Amazon.in. A lot of users are actually planning to buy tablets, but should you buy any tablet in this sale? We will find out the answer in this video. Though I was not expecting a huge discount on tablets, many people are eagerly waiting for this sale. But they will be very sad when they will see the pricing. Price of each and every tablet is on the higher side. Except few tablets, some of the popular tablets like Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, iPad 11th generation, and many more other tablets are on the higher side, so you have no chance of buying any tablet right now. Rather, you should wait for next sale, that may be Christmas sale in the month of December. Only few Lenovo tablets are available on very good discounts. Even Oneplus Pad Lite is on the higher side. The best price for this tablet is 11,000 rupees, but you will not get this pricing in this sale. So you should skip this tablet right now. There is no good discount on iPad 11th generation. It is priced at 32,990 rupees, and with SBI credit card you will get only 2,000 rupees discount. So the effective price will be 30,990 rupees. So I will not suggest you to buy this iPad 11th generation right now. The best price for iPad 11th generation is 28 to 29,000 rupees maximum. Even tablet like Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE is very pricey. You can see that 35,000 is the price point, and after discount you will get Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE at 32,624 rupees. So I will not recommend this tablet right now. The maximum price that you can pay for Tab S9 FE is 19 to 20,000 rupees, not above that. Even the price of Xiaomi Pad 7 128GB is around 27,000 rupees. And if you want to buy the 256GB, in that case you have to pay the price of 32,000 rupees, and after discount you will get this tablet at around 30,000 rupees. So this is not recommended right now. Actually, many people have bought iPad Air M3 at a price point of 42,000 rupees, but right now the price of this iPad is 56,990 rupees, and after discount you can buy iPad Air M3 at 53,990 rupees. So I will not recommend you this tablet also. So in the conclusion, right now there is no such good deal that you can grab. So it will be highly advisable to wait for Christmas sale. Maybe that sale can decrease the price of some famous tablets or popular iPads. Still, if you have any questions in your mind, you can ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.